Here comes the tank! Oh, yeah! Here comes another one! Ooh, alright! Boom! Takish! Oh yes, money! Oh, is it lag? Oh, what's that? Oh! It triggers the lag bomb! Boom! This is crazy! Oh yes, money! Haha! Hey guys, what's up? What's up? This is my ultimate laser weapon! And it is controlled by mouse, guys, or cursor, or by your fingers in cell phone. As you have seen on those PvP videos, these have some range, right? And deadly, yeah! So I'm going to teach you how to do these simple mechanics. It's very easy, guys. Let's go! Place the big cannon, move up with move 10, place block under, extend the block to touch the grass, place hinge like this, place block on the hinge. Place neon block. If no neon blocks, you can use other blocks like plastic or this block, then paint red. So I use neon block. It's your choice if you want to make it smaller. Mine, I reduce all side one time with 0.5. Scale up to 200. I don't know, but when I made this longer, it's kinda hard to control. Or sometimes it doesn't work. You can try to make this longer if you want. Place spikes on it. It's up to you how many you want. But more spikes will make this heavier. It might be harder to control, but you can try it if you want. I place gold block and cover the whole laser for protection. Of course, make the gold block invisible. And the spikes! The laser must be visible, of course. Clone all this with move 10. Don't include the hinge. Place blocks on these blocks. Place piston like this. Place block on the piston. Place piston under the block. Place block under the piston. Select all these except this block. Uncheck anchor, press this piston. Check anchor of these blocks. Move them back with move 10. Place blocks to connect these blocks. Move this piston. Place block here. Then place more pistons, like 19 more pistons, so total of 20 pistons. Place block on this piston. Place block here. Scale it like this. Mirror this block here. Scale it like this. Extend up to here. Mirror this block here. Scale this block. Can turn off collision of the mechanics except the hinge. Actually, delete 2 pistons if you made your laser 200 in scale. Delete this block, place block on the piston, then scale adjust these blocks. It's up to you if you want to extend your laser, so clone these blocks with move 10. With move 2, move this piston 3 times. And these blocks too! Move them 1 time with move 1 to make them closer. Extend this block. Place block under the piston. Place block here. Then scale it like this. Place block here, then scale. Then mirror it, then scale it to connect to the other block. And again, turn off collision of the mechanics except the hinge. Save and reload. Place switch. Then let's try this. Uncheck anchor. Then sit on the cannon. Alright, it's working well, guys. If you want to extend the laser, you can try. It's up to you guys. And you can have a design for a turret if you want. Here I place a separate switch for what I call assemble piston. So the laser extension will have a separate control. So when I sit on the cannon, it's a short laser for a while, but I can extend by pressing the switch. Oh, by the way, I also place camera on the end of the laser, so I can see the target closer. And again, this one is easier to control when the laser is shorter. See, to tell you honestly, this one is not perfect. Lag is also a factor for these mechanics. There might be some techniques to control this, and that's what I need to practice. But as you can see, this one is really deadly. The quickness of its control, the quickness to select target, the range, it is powerful! And if there is a way to mount this on a vehicle, this will be even more powerful, right? So I hope you learned something. By the way guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye!